Land clearing is one of the leading factors that drives biodiversity loss in Australia. Land clearing in Australia is currently estimated at 687,800 hectares per year nationwide. Queensland alone makes approximately 90% of this figure. A reason for this could be agriculture. Land clearing in Queensland is primarily for agriculture, as agriculture is one of the 4 pillars of the Queensland government, along with resources, tourism, and construction. The agricultural industry in Queensland had an estimated value of $13.7 billion within 2012 and 2013, and the overseas export value is currently worth $8.9 billion per year. Land clearing has and will continue to have detrimental effects on biodiversity and water quality. These are 2 very important components of an environment. The loss of biodiversity will lead to the depletion of ecological communities. Approximately 1,000 to 2,000 birds perish for every 100 hectares of native bushland cleared. Waterways experience runoff, leading to extra sedimentation, which leads to eutrophication. A specific example that will be discussed is land clearing in the Queensland Brigalow Belt bioregion, which experienced mass land clearing. The Brigalow bioregion is a large area and is recognized as a biodiversity hotspot. 80% of this bioregion is within Queensland and the remaining 20% is in New South Wales. The mass destruction of vegetation was the result of unsustainable grazing and road-scale land clearing for agriculture. Secondary factors resulting in vegetation and biodiversity loss includes weed evasion, predation of feral animals, and inappropriate fire practices. The recent changes to the vegetation management laws that have been made by the Queensland government in late 2013 saw the new laws that have reintroduced broad-scale land clearing. These reforms include 3 new clearing purposes, which are high-value agriculture, irrigated high-value agriculture, and necessary environmental clearing. The disregard of protecting ecological communities is evident in the new vegetation management laws. This is seen in the self-assessable vegetation clearing codes, which means that landowners are able to clear land without a permit. This is off-putting because effective regulation is a very important factor in controlling land clearing. Regulations would have provided a consistent assessment based on scientific evidence for individual proposals to clear land. It would have also provided a platform where all parties involved may examine the proposals and even suggest alternatives rather than just clearing land. The Queensland government is seen to be moving backwards in terms of ecological protection based on the recent changes made.